Butter seems so normal in the kitchen that we barely think about it, right? We spread it on toast, melt it in the sauces, bake with it, and cook with it every day. But have you ever wondered, how does milk turn into butter? Welcome back to the What Is It playlist on Cooking at Home with Lafay, where we learn the why behind the food we cook. Today we're talking about butter, what it is, how it's made, and why it transforms the way it does in the kitchen. Butter begins with cream. Cream is the fatty part of the milk that rises to the top after fresh milk sits for a while. Dairy producers separate that cream from the milk and pasteurize it to make it safe for consumption. How do they do that? If cooking at home is your vibe, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. The cream is usually separated from the milk using a machine called a centrifuge. The machine spins the milk very fast, and because cream is lighter than the rest of the milk, it rises and separates during the spinning process. After the cream is separated, it's pasteurized. Pasteurization means heating the cream to a specific temperature for a short amount of time to kill harmful bacteria and make it safer to eat while still keeping its flavor and texture. Then comes the magic part, churning. When cream is churned, shaken, or mixed for a long time, the fat molecules begin sticking together. At first, the cream becomes whipped cream, but if you keep going, eventually the fat separates from the liquid. The liquid part is buttermilk, and the solid part, the solid fat left behind, that becomes butter. The butter is then washed to remove extra liquid, which helps it stay fresh longer. After that, it may be salted or left unsalted before being packaged. So the next time you spread butter into a pan or onto warm toast, remember, you're working with something that started as cream and fresh milk and went through an entire process of churning and separation before becoming the rich golden ingredient behind breads, cakes, biscuits, pastas, sauces, and so much more. Once you understand your ingredients, cooking starts to make a whole lot more sense. I'm Bella Lafay, and this is the What Is It playlist on Cooking at Home with Bella Lafay, where we find confidence in the kitchen, one ingredient at a time.